You know that feeling when you're annoyed by leaving crumbs or pet hair on the couch, but you just can't pull out your big vacuum cleaner? Well, handheld vacuums are the perfect solution for those quick cleanups. But what sets the best handheld vacuums apart? Is it their powerful suction or the variety of attachments they come with? Well, the top models feature strong suction, with handy attachments like crevice tools and brush heads, and strong battery life. And of course, lightweight design and ergonomic handles should make these devices comfortable to use for longer periods. Make sure to follow our links for the best prices, and let's get going. Number 6. Bissell AeroSlim Best Value Handheld Vacuum. If you're looking for something affordable yet effective, the Bissell AeroSlim is a great budget-friendly handheld vacuum that packs a lot of value. One of the best features is the 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning. This makes it perfect for quick tidying up around your home, car, or office without the hassle of cords. The compact size is also a real plus. You can easily store and charge it in your car or office, so it's always ready when you need it. It comes with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush that attaches right to the stand, keeping everything together and ready to go. Charging is easy with the USB cable that comes with it. You can plug it in almost anywhere, at home, in the office, or even in your car. And let's talk about the sleek design. It fits nicely into any space and looks good doing it. The AeroSlim also features a dual-level filtration system with washable filters. This means you can keep it running efficiently without needing to constantly buy replacements, saving you some cash in the long run. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max Best Handheld Vacuum for Workshops. Up next, the Dewalt 20V Max is a top choice for keeping your workshop clean. It's powerful and designed to handle the messes that come with woodworking, metalworking, and other shop activities. One of the best features is its Gore HEPA wet-dry filter, which traps 99.97% of dust down to 0.3 microns. This means it not only picks up larger debris, but also catches fine dust, helping you breathe easier in your workspace. You'll appreciate the dual cleanup modes. You can use the front utility nozzle for quick pickups or the extendable rubber hose to reach those tight spots that are otherwise hard to clean. This makes it versatile for different types of messes you encounter in a workshop. The half-gallon tank is big enough to handle a good amount of debris, so you won't have to empty it constantly. When it is time to empty, the heavy-duty latch makes it easy. The filter is washable, so you can just tap it out or rinse it with water to keep it clean and efficient. The heavy-duty rubber hose is both durable and flexible, standing up to tough conditions while being easy to maneuver. Plus, the large on-off switch is convenient. You can quickly turn it on or off with one hand, even if you're wearing gloves. It runs on Dewalt's 20V Max battery packs, giving you a decent runtime to tackle your cleaning tasks without frequent recharges. Number 4. Black Decker Dustbuster 16V Best Handheld Vacuum for Cars. If you're looking for a vacuum cleaner to keep in your car, the Black Decker Dustbuster 16V is a fantastic choice. This model packs a punch with its 15.2 air watts of suction power, making it easy to pick up dirt, hair, and crumbs from all those tricky spots. One thing you'll love is how lightweight and portable it is. You can easily carry it around and maneuver it inside your car without any hassle. No more dealing with bulky vacuums that are hard to handle in tight spaces. Its ergonomic design includes an onboard extension, so you won't have to bend over as much, saving you from back pain. The rotating slim nozzle is especially handy as it turns 180 degrees, helping you get into tight corners and awkward angles inside your car. The pull-out crevice tool really shines when cleaning between seat cushions or along the edges of your floor mats. And if you need to dust or vacuum your upholstery, the flip-up brush adds an extra layer of versatility. Now, one standout feature is the cyclonic action, which spins dust and debris away from the filter. This keeps the suction strong throughout your cleaning session. The dirt bowl is translucent, so you can easily see when it needs to be emptied, and both the bowl and filter are washable, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Dirt Devil 16-volt Deep Clean. Best handheld vacuum for pet owners. Listen up, pet owners, this one's for you. The vacuum we're looking at is called Dirt Devil. Weighing just a few pounds, it's light and easy to carry around, making those quick cleanups hassle-free. What really sets the vacuum apart is its powerful 16-volt suction. It can easily pick up pet hair, crumbs, and other stubborn debris from your floors, furniture, and even your car seats. This means you spend less time vacuuming and more time enjoying your clean home. Thanks to its cordless design, powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you're not tied down by cords. You can move from room to room or even head out to the car without worrying about finding an outlet. Pet owners will love the motorized pet brush roll tool. It's designed specifically to pull up pet hair from all sorts of surfaces, so whether it's your plush couch or the hardwood floor, this tool gets the job done. Plus, the brush roll is easy to remove, making maintenance a breeze. Another handy feature is its extended battery life. You can clean larger areas or tackle multiple messes without needing to recharge constantly. This is perfect for those busy days when your pets are shedding everywhere. If you're a pet owner looking for a reliable handheld vacuum, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 2. Dyson Humdinger. Best premium handheld vacuum. If you're looking to make a proper investment, the Dyson Humdinger stands out as the best premium handheld vacuum. If you appreciate top-tier performance and are willing to spend a bit more for quality, this is the one. At just 2.2 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, yet it packs a punch with its powerful suction. One of its major highlights is the 5-layer filtration system. This feature captures 99.99% of tiny particles, ensuring that the air expelled is cleaner. This is especially beneficial for those with allergies or anyone who cares about air quality. The Humdinger also boasts a unique design that ensures no loss of suction. It uses 8 cyclones to fling dust into the bin, keeping the filter clear and maintaining power throughout your cleaning session. A particularly useful feature is the detangling hair screw tool, which deals with long hair and pet fur effectively. This means you won't have to stop frequently to clean the brush bar. Battery life is also impressive, offering up to 25 minutes of fade-free cleaning. You can switch between 2 power modes to balance power and runtime, ensuring efficient use of energy. The hygienic bin emptying mechanism lets you dispose of dust and debris without touching the dirt, adding to its convenience. Number 1. Shark WV201. Best handheld vacuum overall. And now, meet the Shark WV201. Hands down the best overall handheld vacuum for anyone looking to make quick cleanups easy and effective. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, it's ultra lightweight and incredibly easy to maneuver, making it perfect for anyone to use without effort. One of the standout features is the powerful suction. Thanks to its high-speed, brushless motor, the WV201 offers impressive suction power despite being compact. This means it can handle everything from pet hair on your couch to crumbs in your car without breaking a sweat. The dust cup holds 0.08 quarts, which is ample for quick spot cleaning on carpets and hard surfaces alike. Maintenance is a breeze with this vacuum. It comes with a detachable dust cup and a filter that's easy to remove and wash. The filtration system captures dust and larger debris effectively, so you get cleaner air while you vacuum. Plus, the handy one-touch button lets you empty the debris without getting your hands dirty. Another great feature is its sleek charging dock. Not only does it look good, but it also ensures your vacuum is always charged and ready to go. The LED indicator on the control panel keeps you informed about the charging status and how much battery life you have left. For pet owners, the multi-surface pet tool is fantastic for picking up pet hair from upholstery and carpets. The Duster crevice tool helps you reach tight spaces and car interiors with ease. These are features you usually don't find in cheaper models, making the WV201 a great investment. And that's all for the best handheld vacuums, folks. Let us know in the comments, Are you looking for a device that can handle pet care, or do you want something that's better suited for car cleaning? Consider giving us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this guide. Have a good one.